Let's replace this old kitchen faucet with a new one. Now before we start, first let's shut off the water supply and then disconnect all the connections to the kitchen faucet. Remove the screw to remove the handle. So we tried our level best here to remove the nut from top and bottom. So now it's time to apply some WD-40 and give it another shot. So now we'll be removing the rusted nut from below while holding the top piece with a screwdriver. So the faucet mounting system and the securing nut from underneath sort of fused together. It rusted together and WD-40 wasn't doing the trick. So we ended up having to drill a hole through it so that we can put a metal rod through so we can hold it tight, and we ended up getting a special wrench to remove the mounting fixture. So we're finally done with the hard part. Now let's go ahead and install the new kitchen faucet. So I'm wiping down this area just to get rid of any sediments and rust. And then we install the base plate. After that we insert the plumbing connections. And then go ahead and fix it from the bottom. After that's done, then you go ahead and install the ballast. And this helps to weigh down the pipe. So when you pull on the faucet, it lets it retract back in. And then you go ahead and install all the plumbing connections. Now make sure you get the right connections for your hot water and cold water. Don't get them mixed up. As you can tell, I have some extra connection fittings here, and that's because I have a water filter connected to my cold water line. So if you have something similar, then you need to find the right sized coupling and adapters so you get the right fit. Okay, now we're finally done installing the new faucet. Let's go ahead and test it out. There we go, the water is running. So I'm gonna go ahead and test it in different positions for hot and cold water, and it's both working just fine. I hope you found this video useful in helping you replace your kitchen faucet. And if you did, we would appreciate you liking and subscribing to our channel for more of these amazing content.